Sometimes people say, wow, that's old. I was just looking at 35th anniversary edition here, right? Published 1977. So shouldn't we do something new? You know, something more contemporary, something fresh. I mean, these skills are the skills that human beings use to communicate. And fundamentally, human relationships are the same as they have always been. A relationship is a relationship is a relationship. And one of the things that I've always appreciated about Gordon Training's material is the fact that it is not based on guesswork. That is not something that just somebody invented because, you know, they could say it was new. This is something that has stood the test of time. It has been tried, it has been shown to be effective over and over and over and over again. And one of the things that Tom Gordon had been able to do was to pull together the knowledge from people who have studied and learned about and been successful in teaching about human relationships and pull that together into a single model, a single elegant model that has proved its worth, not only over time, but all across the globe. In every kind of culture, every kind of business, every kind of enterprise that you can possibly imagine.